Today, we focus on alternate nostril breathing combined with Kumbhaka called Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. This is a direct way to increase your pranic capacity of your pranic body. Once your pranic body is vibrant, healthy, and vital, it shows up in your physical body. Just holding your breath for a few extra seconds can completely change your mind, your energy, and your nervous system. And we're not talking about a week or a month, we're talking about right now in this session. If you do this properly with me, you'll see your whole pranic body upgrade. Welcome to the School of Breath. Last video, we learned about the foundations of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, energy purifying breath. Today, we go one step further and we introduce something called Kumbhaka, the breath hold. In pranayama, ancient yogis told us that if there is no kumbhaka in your pranayama, it's not pranayama. So kumbhaka, whether it's a bahaya kumbhaka or antar kumbhaka, when you inhale and hold the breath in, or you exhale and hold the breath out, called bahaya kumbhaka, both are very important aspects of pranayama. When you inhale and hold the breath, that's what we're going to focus on today. You retain the prana in your body, just like a battery. You can charge your battery from the sun and use it when you need it. The same way, you can charge your prana from the sun, from the food you eat, and from the breath holds. When you increase the breath holds slowly but gradually, you'll notice the capacity of your battery, the ability to retain the prana in your body goes up. And yogis told us that our life is nothing but the ability to store more and more pranic activity inside the body. When you have more prana in your body stored, you can convert that prana into your finances, into your relationships, into being more charismatic. Many different ways you can convert the same prana into different areas of your life, and you'll see how the different areas of your life take off when you start giving this much prana into certain aspects of life. If you think you're neglecting certain aspects of life, think about giving prana into it, giving energy, your attention to it. Before we start, I want you to understand why we are increasing the pranic capacity of the body, why we are increasing the breath holds. When you're holding the breath after inhaling, you're doing something very specific. You're adding pressure in your nadis, your energy channels, and that makes your nervous system more resilient. And now this pressurized prana is moving through your nadis, through your energetic channels in your pranic body with force, clearing all the blockages. And even more, from modern science perspective, you are increasing your CO2 tolerance. Carbon dioxide is as important as oxygen in your body, and when you increase the levels of carbon dioxide and you're okay with it, then your body becomes more resilient. Think about when you dive in the water and you're holding the breath and carbon dioxide levels are going up, you freak out. Same way, if you can handle this freak out calmly, you'll be able to bring this calmness into all the areas of your life. So with this breath hold, anxiety dissolves. Vagus nerve activates, the longest nerve in your body, and your resting heart rate lowers throughout the whole day. And from yogic perspective, the longer the kumbhaka, the deeper the prana penetrates. So let's build this resilience together. Don't force your body, just allow it to slowly and gradually regulate. Alright, today it's time to level up. We'll together go to the School of Breath app and we'll start with level 3 of alternate nostril breathing and we'll go all the way to level 6. These levels are adaptive levels, which means as you go up level from 3 to 4, the difficulty level of holding the breath goes up. Your kumbhaka becomes longer duration. As you go all the way to level 6, the kumbhaka, the breath hold would become 12 seconds. So let's get started. Find a comfortable seated position, cross-legged, coming into Vishnu Mudra. And please be careful, only do this exercise, alternate nostril breathing, with your right hand, because your right thumb or your thumb represents fire. Your right nostril represents fire. When you combine this, the elements are aligned. Your left side represents water. When you align these fingers, the water element aligns. But if you do this with the left hand, you're combining your fire element, which is your thumb, with the left nostril, and the elements get confused. So be careful, just make sure you do this with the right hand, and we get started now. All right, so we'll start with level 3 on the app. What does level 3 mean? Inhale 6, hold 6, exhale 6, and then we goes up to 7.5 and then 9 and then 12. So we'll go through different levels. Each level would have 3 rounds of alternate nostril breathing. So just follow the app. Inhale 6, left, hold 6, exhale right 6. Inhale right 6, hold 6, exhale left 6. Inhale left 6, hold 6, exhale right 6. Inhale right 6, hold 6, exhale left 6. One last round here. Inhale left 6, hold 6, exhale right 6. Inhale right 6, hold 6, exhale left 6. Inhale left 6 now. And now hold 7.5 seconds. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold 7.5 seconds. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold. And exhale right. Beautiful. Continue. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left 6. Now we increase the hold to 9 seconds. Inhale 6 left. Hold 9. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 9. Exhale left 6. Continue 2 more rounds. Inhale left 6. Hold 9. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 9. Exhale left 6. Inhale left 6. Hold 9. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 9. Exhale left 6. All right. Again, we increase the hold. Inhale 6 left. Hold. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold. Exhale left 6. Again, last time we're going to increase the hold all the way to 12 seconds. Inhale left 6. Hold 12 seconds. Close your eyes, focus on the third eye. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 12. Exhale left 6. Continue 2 more rounds. Last ones. Inhale left 6. Hold 12. Focus third eye. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 12. Exhale left 6. One last round. Inhale left 6. Hold 12. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 12. Beautiful. Exhale left. Allow the breath to come out in normally and come into meditation. Come into Akasha Mudra. Bring the tallest finger to the thumb tip. Close your eyes. Keep your spine straight. Beautiful job. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. So today we balanced our masculine and our feminine, our Pingala Nadi and our Ida Nadi. When you balance your masculine and your feminine, in other words, when you balance the physical side and your mental side, the physical faculties and your mental faculties, you balance them. That's the perfect time to go in meditation. Then you go into something called space element. When you're primarily focused on your physical side, you're in your fire element. When you're primarily focused on your mental side, feminine side, you're in your water element. When you balance them, you come into your space element. That is the best time to meditate. When this balance happen, then you'll notice that there is not many thoughts distracting you, and there is not many restive physical energy that is making you move. So you can just sit still in silence in your space element. And of course, if you like this animation and if you want to take this journey further from level 6 onwards, please follow the School of Breath app. Again, you can always freeze your level if you want to continue at level 9, let's say. Your nervous system is getting in tuned and you want to continue practicing for a month. On level 9, you can freeze it and then unfreeze it after a month if you want to go further. So allow your nervous system to slowly adapt. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free chakra activation ebook and guided meditations. The link is in the description below. If this practice helped you feel calmer, more connected, the next step is our holistic membership. Inside, you'll get full access to all 9-week chakra balancing course, a guided experience through yoga, pranayama, healing mudras, and meditations to help you release emotional blocks, restore your energy, and bring your chakras into balance. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play Store. If you're ready to feel more grounded, confident, open-hearted, and spiritually aligned, join the membership and begin your chakra balance journey today. I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of meditation, pranayama, breathwork in their life. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abidugal. Thank you for tuning into the School of Breath. Namaste, peace, and love.